Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stretch a video or image in CapCut on PC, so you can easily adjust the width or height however you want. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open CapCut on your computer. Once you're in the app, click on New Project to start a fresh timeline. Now import the photo or video you want to stretch. You can do this by clicking the Import button on the left side. Once it's imported, just drag that file into your timeline at the bottom. Now here's where the stretching happens. Click on the video or image in the timeline so it's selected. On the right-hand side, you'll see the editing toolbox with options like position, opacity, rotation, and scale. Look for the option called Uniform Scale. By default, it's usually turned on, which means the width and height will change together, keeping the original shape of the image or video. But if you want to stretch it, maybe make it wider or taller, then you need to turn off the uniform scale. Once it's off, two new sliders will appear. Scale X, which controls the width. Scale Y, which controls the height. If you drag the Scale X to the right, your image will get wider. If you drag Scale Y, it will get taller. You can play around with both to get the exact stretched look you want. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more editing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.